started taking. Oh, hi there, this is Hirok here, and I'm right now at going to unbox a Peak Design travel set. Okay, so this is how the package looks like. It came from SG DPEX, and of course they charged me an additional $83 just for delivering this box. So let me open it up. So yep, those are all my colleagues sitting in the background. So there we go. Open. According to Peak Design and the other people who have done this unboxing video, it looks exactly like this. So I ordered the entire Peak Design travel pack together with the small camera bag as well as the 5-liter sling bag. So let me show you what it looks like here. It is packed, but they don't have any other packaging inside except this kind of packaging. So do not expect your bag to come packaged with these. These are all deflated. There's nothing in there, no air. So it comes individually packed. So this is a 5-liter sling bag. It comes individually packed. Let me open it up for you and have a look at it. So 5-liter sling. It comes well packed with the Peak Design logo here. It's beautiful. It's fantastic. So the packaging is really good and the materials are really good too. Whoa. There's a lot of staples inside, so just be careful when you open it up. And my entire travel kit is in sage, so including this one, it's in sage as well. So it's really beautiful. It's got lots of packaging material inside to prevent it from getting molds and things like that. It comes with a Ziploc bag, just fantastic. Good packaging. Very good packaging. So get on to the smaller items. Every single item here is packed individually. I also took the full field pouch, which is also individually packed. This one is in charcoal grey. So let me just open it up for you. So it's very nice. And they're pretty good. Their packaging is really, really top notch. I'm quite impressed. It's very hard to open it. Okay, never mind, I'll just cut it off. Yeah. So once I open it up, this is the field pouch. It looks awesome. This is put around the waist down here. It looks really nice. I'll show you this entire packaging put together and show you as an entire kit later. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.